Hey guys, welcome back to Science Skills and Life Skills with Vikhyath Kiran. So today we're not going to do any student.code.org work. Today we are going to learn about how to make an HTML website. So to make an HTML website, you first need to create a new document. What it can be a Word, it can be text document, anything, because you're going to change the extension. So let's give the name of the HTML website and let's give .html. That's the extension. It'll ask if you want to do this. You have to give yes. Okay. Now, if it doesn't change to HTML document, you have to go to view and make sure the file name extensions checkbox is ticked. Okay. So let's double click on this. So it is normal if you see a blank page because you have not coded anything in this yet. So now let's code. So here you can see edit with Notepad++. It doesn't have to be Notepad++, it can be C++ and so on. As of what I know, Notepad++ is free. So click on that. If you don't have it, you have to install it. Okay. It showed that because I have already made a file called vikhya.html, that's why. So okay, so let's now code. Okay, so the first tag that I'm going to introduce you all to is the doc type tag. So a tag is something that defines what something is. I don't know the exact definition yet. I'll give that in the description box below. Okay, so doc type you have to give in capital and HTML. Now you have to type HTML. Okay, and close the this thing. So close the tag. That's how you close a tag like this. So this only means the document type is HTML. Now let's go to the next line and let's press space, but let's indent it. Now we'll give the HTML tag. So let's give this. Let's go to the next line. Now we have to put a forward slash. That's how you close it. So these two are related. Because I wanted it to be related, I had to put a forward slash here. So if I click on this, both of them will show blue. That means they're connected. Now an HTML page can consist of two parts, the head and the body. So we can use the head tag and the body tag for that. So let's give the head tag. Now let's give the body tag. If you're hearing some disturbance, I'm very sorry. My mother is in a call, that's why. So okay, so now let's code for the head. The first thing you need to code is the meta tag. So let's give this meta. Now let's give equal to um you name, not name, um equal to, yeah, UTF-8 and close the quotation mark. And now close this. Now make another meta tag. Let's give equal to. Now we're going to put multiple things here. Let's first give the name attribute, called an attribute. Let's give viewport. Now let's give width. is equal to device. Okay, I think I forgot to put the quotation mark. Now let's close it. Okay, so this is all you need to do. Now, okay, now you need to close this tag. Okay, so meta tag is closed. Now there's one more tag that you need for the head tag. That is, one second. Okay, so the next tag that I'm going to introduce you all to is the title tag. So let's use the title tag. I'll tell you what the title is in a short while. So let's give coding. Let's give a forward slash and give title. Okay. Now let's save it with Control S. Now go to Chrome. So this is our this thing. Let's refresh it. So as you can see, this has changed to coding. So this is the title, as I had told before. So and I had not told this before. This is the title. So now the page still looks blank. So for that we're going to use the body tag. Okay. Now go to body. Okay. Now in the body we are going to give headers. So you might be wondering what's the header. So you have to give H1. So you can give H2, H3, H4, H5 and until H6. You can only get 6 headers. Now I'll show you what it does. Now let's make it a second header. Okay. So now let's save it and go to the Chrome. So as you can see, the words that I had typed has come here. So you might be noticing that the first header comes in a really bold line, and then the second header comes in a little more lesser font. So it's like that from H1 to H6, the font gradually decreases. So I'll just show you all the headers. So this might take a while. I'm going to pause the scene. Okay, we're done with all the headers. Now let's go to the Chrome document and refresh. Okay, I think I forgot to save this. So let's go to the Chrome document. Okay, so as you can see, it is gradually decreasing. Now I'll show you what happens if I don't give any header tag. Okay, so let's just give it directly. Mm, okay, let's save it. Now let's go here. So as you can see, it can appear. Um, so we can change the font style as well. Uh, so let's say we are going to illustrate the word fan. Let's give the U tag. So I'll tell you what U is. You'll understand when you see this. Now I'm going to show you some magic. Voila. So the fan is underlined. So U is actually the underlined tag. Yeah, So I'm I like the U tag more, so I remember that more. I'm not sure about the bold, so I think it's a B tag. B. Wait, 1 second. Um, you can give this background color. I've never explored that. Okay, let's give this in the head tag. I don't think this is going to work because it's not showing any sign of a tag attribute. Okay, as expected, it did not work. You can comment below if you know how this works. I would really appreciate your comment. So I'm only sure about the U tag. I'm very sorry for that. So so now these are the basics. Now I'll show you a different feature. Um, okay, so I have decided that this will be the first video. I'm going to break it down because I am losing some time, like almost going to be 15 minutes, and that's my limit. So thank you so much for watching. Next video I'll be showing you another feature called the table. We'll be making a table in this HTML page. I'll be showing you that very soon in the next video. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Comment below if you have any suggestions, or you know how I can improve the HTML website. So thank you so much. Bye.